What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today kicks off the golf league season. We're kicking it off with a scramble here today, 4-man scramble. So I got a few guests on the channel. Mike Shirt's coming back, and we will welcome in Jared Spitzley and Zach Ewer onto the channel. And yeah, it's like I said, 18-hole scramble at the fields in Ithaca, Michigan. We got a lot of rain last night, so the conditions won't be great, but yeah, we're gonna see how low we can go today, and yeah, let's kick off the season in a good way. As usual, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate every one of you guys. Let's get into this video. Welcome in Zach Ewer to the channel.
Hello,
welcome,
hey.
Zach.
Hi.
Welcome in Jared Spitzley to the channel. Let's shoot some scores today. Being we got a scramble format going on today, we are starting at hole number 11. That'll be our first hole. Par 4, pretty much straight away. Water on the right. Let's get it.
Yep. Ride that wind, Spence. It's left to right. Aim at that red fucking shack up on the
Yeah.
Oh, hang on.
Sit.
Have a look at it.
Yep. Give me a fairways, man.
That wasn't hit fairway because you got over the water.
Yeah. If it's hit like shit, it goes in the water.
Yeah.
Trust me.
So. Oh yeah.
Hang on. Get out of those trees. Get out of those trees.
Hey.
That was hit right off the fucking bottom of the club.
Put that forgiving cue on time to work here.
Yeah. Yep. Atta girl. Oh, big bounce. Huge bounce. Holy shit.
Tree trouble there.
Sorry. Thank you.
Come on.
Oh, what do you got?
Get up. Alright.
Yep, for sure.
Give us a look at it.
Small. You're aimed way right, Spitz.
Your feet are aimed at that tree in front of us, just so you know.
More left. Right where you were aimed.
Yeah. Good strike. Huck, we line you up. That's on the pin.
Put it up there now, kid.
Yeah, well, you guys said that when I was about to do my backswing, so I said, fuck it.
I wanted to say something before you pushed it down.
Oh, no, Birdie.
Throw a dart, Shirt.
Yep. Talk numbers. Get up a little bit. Oh, no. Nice shot.
Fuck, that's way more.
Beauty. No, that's still a great shot. Huh?
Isn't that pin at the back?
No, I think it's in the front.
Downhill.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to run away from you. Yes. That was a great line. Oh, I love it. I love it. Stay up. Oh, that was a great roll.
I was close to the went without going in. Too much.
Damn. Wow, his crank though. Great speed. Well, that's par on the first hole. Had a good shot at a birdie, about a 12, 15 foot putt. Par nonetheless. Next hole. delicious. Bloody as ever.
Bloodier the better.
Bloodier the better. There she is. That's a great ball.
Sure. You got a safe one.
Alright. That's my exact job. You guys just fucking go at it. We get one.
Slippage. In the bunkie. Was it over?
Yeah. Over the bunker.
That was hit pretty good then into the wind.
Was it?
Oh. Yep.
Yep.
Right down the pipe.
Oh, yeah.
Nice shot.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah. Get out.
Yeah,
No? That's good distance. Yeah, nice shot.
How is it going right?
That's what I'm doing. Nice shot.
Shot. Was it 9?
That was a 9 again.
I mean, it was a late off 9, but. Oh, get down.
Go in. I didn't like that shot. Finsman.
Sink us a bird.
Hit the ball. Oh, you gotta get her there.
Does your husband golf too? Oh, yeah. There's that 20-mile-an-hour wind. What do you got? Oh, good putt.
I'm getting good reads on these fuckers.
Is that dead straight?
That didn't move an inch. I would say left edge. Do not give the hole away.
Yeah.
And yours moved left, didn't it?
I think it's dead straight. That's
From my
exactly
angle,
where I was
it looked
aiming.
like it moved a hair.
It could have. Yeah.
See all the Michigan boys get drafted last night?
Yeah. I don't like McCarthy and the Vikings, but
That's the best situation for him.
I mean, for him,
It's
yes.
Justin Jefferson.
For him, yes. Travel. That's another par. Unfortunate. All right, hole 13, another par 4. Dog leg to the right, through some trees. Let's get that damn birdie. Run. She's dry.
Why are these not getting off the ground?
Dry it in the fairway. There you go. You're good. Nice shot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, the next D-box is over there. How'd you do that?
Well, you know, I was trying to get the turn. I got it.
And it's going to work out absolutely beautifully.
She was
Didn't
turning.
win, baby. Didn't win.
She was turning.
We got options.
That's a couple fins in a row.
Oh, sure.
It's a club link.
Yeah, I guess.
Fucking chunky bit board.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you got it.
Do I? Do I have to?
Sure, cheers for that.
me get it there and give you a read.
Get one past the hole, I dare ya.
Now that I know these greens are slower than my grandma,
Now you're gonna blow it back to the gator.
that's fine.
Confirm turning right a mile.
Yeah, it's not going to turn left until the very last second.
Hit a house. Confirm doesn't turn left at all.
Well, I hit that way too hard.
Put her in.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh yeah. Nice spot.
Good roll.
It was a little more in the cup or two, wasn't it, or no?
I think it's a little less. I mean, I'd almost aim.
How far did you?
I'd almost aim like little where my ball is.
Can't leave him short of the left hand.
Get one to the hole, bud.
Alright, first scramble of the year, boys.
Part of the channel, man.
First, whatever the hell this is.
Grab her up.
Payday.
Paydays, baby.
Is it?
It's
Alright,
salt.
boys.
It's salt here.
Let's see if we can make a birdie.
Yeah, one birdie.
Cards are fun.
Birdie juice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Every time.
Kahlua or something? That's a cinnamon roll.
Thank you. So stop from the top.
I don't like to. Okay. Okay.
Go in the hole.
Nice shot.
Is that on?
A little deep, yeah.
I did. I took
No, it's not over.
I took an 8.
It's just a little deep.
Good ball.
Nice
No, I think that's been high.
It might be. Fucking Yankston. Not the wind, not the wind.
I think that was too much.
Yeah.
For the first pot, I say go right at it. Maybe right edge.
It's slightly downhill, too.
There we go. Dude, how am I leaving this so short?
Yeah, definitely.
I left
Yeah.
it short, too. What the fuck?
Turn.
I put it right over that, I think.
Okay.
I didn't move.
I need a ball. I forgot I put mine OB.
Hold it. Yeah, 125 in or less, I'd be.
Yeah, we're right into the teeth of a 20-mile-an-hour wind here. Hole 15, par 4, dead ahead. There she is.
Great ball.
Redemption.
Flew the hell out of the way.
Yeah, nice shot. Oh, hell yeah. Big old banana right in the center of the fairway. Nice.
Oh, kicked right. Somehow.
That's weird.
Oh,
That might have got dick by
I think that kicked left straight in the bunker.
I think it did.
Hey, you and you were right next to each other.
Oh no, he was way further. Yeah, he is.
Run, little girl.
Nice shot. I don't
All right.
You're the dart thrower. Let's see something.
That was cute.
It was cute. Yeah, if we could hit the green, Kale, that'd be a start. I really don't want to get my putter out here. Fucking bird. Nice.
You wasted them. Put it up there.
Pretend there is no ball.
You are the ball.
You are the ball. Oh, sit a little bit. Sit a little bit.
Hit a house.
Sit.
Nice try.
Oh, one hop over. That was a good hit. Stretch.
Yeah, going something, do something, man.
Straight at her.
I seen Zach's and got scared, didn't swing full.
Oh,
It's fucking cold, dude.
I gotta stick with it. Yeah, you gotta stick one, bud. Because mine coming over the back of the green there is not gonna be a good
No,
shot.
it's not fun.
Yeah, that is not the ball we're using.
No.
Actually, it's going the hole.
Go in the fucking hole.
Stretch. All right, below the pin.
Great shot. Great shot.
Yep.
Good save.
Oh, yeah. Stretch. Oh, dead end hard.
God damn, that's good. So that was beautiful. Just one more knot hair and you had it.
Oh, does that creep left at the end?
It did a little bit.
Wow.
Get the ball.
Just tee her up right on that fucking branch there, bud, right behind you.
That gives thin to win a whole new meaning.
She don't win when you're thin.
Oh, yeah.
No, she don't. But she's a good faker.
I appreciate that. Uh-oh. Fucking pick her up on 17.
We're on 17.
I meant 7.
2?
7 over there?
That's 2.
That's 8.
Oh, over there. I didn't realize it went that far. Yeah, that's 8. Hey! That's gonna work there, bud.
Sure.
Fucking low-hanging fruit there. We'd love to see it. Alright.
Just gust for me now.
Yeah, might as well pick up.
That wind just holds.
It's trying.
And there, time or two. Car call. Hey.
I get a little out of
That's
the
all right. You chipped in. You get one more hole off. After that, that part was something.
I got the low part right, not so much the direction. If that would have started just a little more left, that could still be okay. Oh, it kicked back to the left.
Right at the 100 yard.
Right at the 100.
I was gonna say, good shot.
It's a good layup.
That would have been up there 50 yards out though.
Yeah, that was a good hit.
I'm telling you what, this and my driver the other day, I was absolutely smart.
Whoa.
Hot fly, center field.
There, right?
No weight shifted. Firm.
Yes, sir.
Baby.
That's a beauty. That is a beauty.
And everything.
My hair chunky, but hey, that was pretty good.
That's a fucking beauty right there.
That was an 8.9.
I mean, that's birdie position right there, boys. Don't know what else to tell you.
Absolutely.
Put me in the chipping helm. That's eagle position.
Oh, double crossmans.
Yep.
Hey, you told me.
Bye bye.
I heard a tongue. He split the difference. So fucking hit a shot then. Let's see it.
Feel it.
Feel it in your loins. He felt it.
He felt it.
Good shot. Great shot.
That's okay. That's all right.
It's like what we need out of the first man. Oh. Yeah. Get behind it. Damn. I felt so good about that, I didn't even take a second.
Just a little chunky. A little fat.
Just absolutely rushed the whole process.
Stick one. Just like that. That's a good shot.
Get up.
That's a great shot.
Thank you. I hit a wedge.
It's a fucking great shot.
A little further left there.
With the speed, I feel like we got to go a little further out.
Yeah.
Came a little outside of left.
I do a cup.
Got a tire in there.
Ooh.
Yeah, I like it though. Look at it go though.
Yeah. Put her in, Richard.
Barely even touched that ball. I know.
One time. Oh.
Dude, look at that.
Yeah, I did. I bet. Spot a little bit more.
We ain't good for a goddamn car yet.
No.
Yeah, that was great speed.
I mean, it's like right here, Caleb.
Okay.
Come on. Hey,
Damn, brother, that's a good putt. It really is.
Yeah, it was. We gave her the run at it.
And I can
Yeah.
make fun of them and she'll be like, hey, how's it doing?
Hello.
Hey, how's it doing?
Hey, how's it doing? You sure you haven't had 10 of them yet? You sure you haven't had 10 already?
You think I wasn't trying to say that?
I know you were.
you don't cover your tracks now.
I don't need to cover my tracks. You gotta catch up.
Shit.
If there's ever time to get over the hill. Well, it is pretty wet. Not being really. One forward.
For real. Yes, sir. Nice shots, that's
Oh, baby.
great ball.
Kind of slowed down on turning.
Yeah.
Thank you. Driver's been on fucking point today.
On fleek.
I hate to have to smack one by you, though.
I would love for it, actually. Not often will I say that, but I will say that right now.
Oh, I didn't mess up the swing.
Oh, you should be okay.
Can I take some pictures of you guys?
Oh, no.
That hit the
As we go
wall.
around? Okay.
Yeah.
$100.
Somebody? Somebody?
I almost took your windshield out there, bud.
You just getting down the
Looks like she's new vehicle anyway. But I put about 10 over last year.
A window actually got smashed out last year on this hole.
That was really.
Those are rookie numbers.
There he is. Oh, you passed the ladies' tee. Uh-oh.
It's still coming down.
Right by this sign.
Yeah.
Okay, that's gonna
A
run.
long way.
Come on, give us a run.
That could be great.
50-50, young man. Yes, sir.
Lovely.
That was a good line.
We're gonna have to start having a punishment for every time you leave it short. Come on now, kid.
One time. Come on. Oh, come back.
That turned more
That's a
than I
good
thought.
putt.
That thing stopped.
I had to make sure I got it there.
Yeah.
They're coming back towards us.
That snapped more than I thought.
And I hit that good.
That was perfect pace. Yeah.
Really good putt right there.
Yeah, you should try making one.
No. Oh,
There should be a punishment.
It's skipped me, bro. It skipped like fucking 3 times before that.
Yeah. I definitely seen that. Calen's got us.
He smacks him good. He'll put it in there.
Thank you, sir.
Oh yeah.
Oh! That's a great fucking putt, man.
I thought that was
It's a great putt.
Can't be made.
Not me.
There it is.
There it isn't.
You're hitting me about right there.
I hit it on the heel.
Stay out. Stay out. Oh, yeah. That'll work. Yeah. That'll be all right. Nice shot, Spitz. Yeah, that wind is.
Every time I step up.
It knows you need the challenge. You're too much of a professional. Yeah, no wind help there.
It's slowing down. It's coming back up.
Want me to stay under the wind? Run like a fucking mile.
That might do her. That should do her.
Great shot. Way to keep running the wind. I know that was planned. Yeah, 100%.
Went right under it.
Toesman.
Went literally underneath the ball.
Fuck, holes over there, bud.
Been there a time or two. Oh, bite hard. Bite hard. Well, Finsman.
I know.
Oh, that's a shot.
Yeah.
Sit down.
I knew that I
Much club.
So great shot.
Still a par. I say take a pitching wedge, Kalen.
Do you?
I mean, long's no good. We gotta have something. Gotta have something short. I mean, anything on the green gives us a chance. I don't know that 9 is.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I love that. That's fucking beautiful. It's gonna plug right hard on you.
Oh, it was always the P-dub now. This is not that easy of a birdie hole.
It's not. No, this is a tough birdie hole.
We're not gonna get a much better look.
We got to steal one right here. Wow. I saw that breaking more.
Didn't turn much.
No, it didn't.
Sure.
I'd say a ball out.
Did not turn much. Oh. All right, now, kid. A little bit.
Come on, kid.
There she is. Let's go.
Sure he did.
Birdie juice.
Sure he did.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
It was always the sim.
Look at it carry.
Always the sim.
I don't think I'm touching that.
Did you guys see my tweet?
Right in front of you.
Right.
12 o'clock.
How do you miss that big ass?
It's a goddamn martini glass.
I am buzzing.
Fairway would be cool.
Okay.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Come on. Oh,
That's a great spot.
mm-hmm. Turn. That doesn't break as much as we thought.
No, because I put it right where I put my club.
I'd say right where his ball rolled is the line. Go, 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 go! Oh! Good roll. Gotta get up there.
Oh my god, that is
Oh my goodness
fucking
gracious.
It's still a great spot.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Good fucking ball.
I mean, the wind's eating the shit out of that, but that's a great ball. That's a great ball.
This is going to be a 3-shot hole all day.
Attaboy, Zach.
The one time I tee it higher, I get under it, and it fucking goes in the
It's
sky.
better than topping it.
Let's go.
Oh, look.
Let's
at
go.
that stop turning. That's way farther than mine.
Nice shot.
No bird juice, thank you.
Sit inside the trees. That'll be just fine. That'll be just fine.
That's a good line from the right side, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's perfectly fine. Those are going nowhere, though.
No, that wind's stopping those up.
None of those are even at 250. Maybe 220.
Yeah, maybe.
But she is low.
High up in the air.
You got nothing to lose here. Yeah, keep it low and just yam. He gets the right lineup. He hits it the furthest.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Sorry, we got him out there.
Oh my God.
That's beautiful.
I'm gonna hit.
That is beautiful.
I mean, that was pumped, and it's still 100 yards out.
No, but that was a great shot.
You get that on film? I was going at that fucker.
Might as well. That's, yeah.
I don't see it.
Left. Right towards that dead tree. Yep.
That's just a terrible fucking.
Come on, Mr. Wedgeman. He is the wedge king. Oh, I love it if it bites. Love it if it bites. Go in! Oh! Nice. Great shot.
I got a brand new shirt I just bought with some swans on it like that, bud.
Oh, wait till you see it.
me
Yes,
my
sir. I'm gonna have to cut out so much of this audio. Cash money. Let's go.
Huge.
Yeah, buddy. Stop. Yeah, that's a great hit. Yeah, good shot.
I swear to you, that's how I was hitting this the other day. Yeah, we're fucking sick. Ooh, stayed low.
Come back. Get in the fairway.
Not gonna get there.
It's close. It's real close. You're not even 10 yards off.
Right side of the fairway.
Where'd it go? I never saw it.
That's a beauty. Get up there.
Pretty good into the wind.
Nice shot. Yeah, very good in that wind. Hit it quick. The wind's down. Not to rush you.
Oh, yeah.
How did the wind not touch that?
It didn't touch it.
But
That was a perfectly straight shot.
right after I've never.
Wow. Oh, come on. Be the number. Be the number.
Out there.
Get up. Oh.
The wind holds it up more back towards us than it does forward. It moves harder than it moves.
I mean, we're barely into the wind here.
Now it feels like it's right into me.
Yeah.
Just hit it harder than you think, and it's not going to carry that much luck.
That ain't getting there. I'm hitting a 9. I'm 100% hitting a 9. That's a great shot.
Yeah, it is.
Sit right there. Sit right there. Good shot. Run. Release.
Here you go, a little harder.
Oh, yeah.
Release, please.
Oh, yeah. Go in. Nice shot.
Put a mark on.
Great shot.
Oh, yeah.
Release.
Nice shot.
That's pretty damn near, give me.
I knew as soon as I fucked.
Dead straight.
Yeah.
Do not make me pot spit, assured.
Belt's hanging loose.
Oh no.
This is what a square putter looks like.
There it is. Good roll.
Oh yeah, that's fine. It really is.
Turn a little.
We both nutted drives last night here. He was like, he was past the bunker.
Yeah.
I was just short.
Nutted it. I mean, that's gonna be up there.
I mean, this hole's so short. You don't need a real good drive.
But you're gonna give us one.
I think I'm falling off of these drives.
Go banger.
Join us.
Come on, Spitz.
How it felt.
Show me that again. That's a picture restaurant swing.
Put it on a shirt. Come on now. Whoa. Straight, but holy shit. It's fine.
We're fine. Bunker.
Right in front of the divot there? Is that where you want her? Yep. Alright.
He likes it. Mikey, he likes it.
Whoa! It was always the divot!
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Straight. We'll take it. We'll take it. Good shot.
I didn't tell you.
Good shot.
Now I can go.
Fucking knock her in there, boy.
Just not in there. Watch it!
Only p don't hole out from here. Travel. Travel. Yeah, hold the finish. Hold the finish. It might develop.
Never saw it.
I got it.
There he is! How you doing? Develop! Spin!
God damn it.
You'll just make it, so I don't even have to
Fuck that tee.
This ball has been washed since '88.
You're gonna sink her.
That was the stroke. Just hit it like that.
Put her down, bud!
There it is.
Ooh.
That was a pretty good first line, though.
Loved it till I didn't.
Beautiful line.
Yeah, give me a line.
It's literally one ball outside of the cup.
Yeah.
When you hit it that hard, yeah.
Well,
I mean,
that's only 2 foot high.
I know.
I hear, you know. It's easy to talk behind the camera.
It is. It's very easy to talk behind the camera. That's why I do it.
Maybe it wasn't me going first. I don't know. I felt really good about it.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I could have hit a better putt.
Sometimes you gotta feel good about them.
Why don't you use that line? That fucker's aimed at you, or club's aimed.
He's not a line guy. Alright. Don't you worry.
No. Hammered it.
I mean, mine was.
Stop it. Whee!
Good luck getting a 7 there, boys.
We got a 7. Trade me. 8. A little bit.
That's a great hit.
It really was.
It's short, but it's a great hit.
It's just all my weight on my back foot.
They just jarred that.
Did they really?
I mean, they're yelling.
It could have been close.
There's the shot that was taking it.
Jar it. Jar it. Nice.
Like I said, he's feeling really good.
Good par.
Yeah, I thought that was in. 25 inches.
Did you say 25 inches?
2 foot.
Off the tee?
Yeah.
Wow. Develop.
Oh,
Yep.
might as well.
Didn't even get to the green.
You know it would be great for that if you just strike one down the middle.
Fucking do her.
Don't talk about it, be about it. Oh, what do you got?
I'm going after that.
Oh yeah,
Center pipesman.
I told you.
Nice shot.
Thank you.
That should be over, but
It is.
I hit it hard. Just pulled it.
turn.
That's just a rush thing. But you can't hit it past zero.
I lost it.
I hit it
Right where
hard.
mine was.
Okay.
But it started to the left of the
I thought it went left, but then I just lost it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I
We should
hit it
both
hard,
be
I
in,
know
but
Not great. We could use one to the right out there, Caleb.
Okay.
Angle's a lot
I
better.
can put it wherever I want.
Yeah, right side. Oh, I love it if it gets up.
Go up there. Oh!
Get back there. Get back there.
Great shot.
Yeah.
Way short.
It is short, but it's a good shot.
Just wasn't quite.
Yeah.
But hey, it's a good first lead off. Get up!
Dead on line,
Wow,
though.
just out of that.
Dead
ditch.
on line.
It's not
Yeah.
bad.
Fuck, you're damn near on the green.
There's nothing wrong with that.
No.
I don't care what your ball does. You're aimed right.
That's right where you aimed.
Gotta go.
It's there. It's just right. It was there.
Couple more of those you'd have got there. Ooh. What do you think about a cup and a half, something like that?
On the ball. That's your saying something good. Could never.
In the hole!
Oh! You got fans.
Oh, no turn. Nice ball.
I'm a farm boy.
Come on now, kid.
Might be in the fairway. Of 9. Turn, baby. Hell yeah. That'll work. Left side.
I think it's pretty good.
That didn't have a turn on it at all.
No.
Just right over the tree.
Oh, coming around.
Thin to win, baby.
Yeah, run up in the middle of the fairway. Yes, sir. That was heely and low.
Fuck, I'm standing up there.
Get the old Brian Harmon waggle going on.
Yo. Daniel doesn't hit the fairway in 7 holes.
What are those?
He'll fucking pipe one here, though.
Yeah. You piped it, but it wasn't straight. What's wrong, Greg?
Good angle.
Come on back.
I'm an angler.
You can be the guinea pig.
Oh, feet up.
Yo, for sure.
We might need you here.
I hope you don't. Did I top the fuck out of it?
Fucking kill.
You want something on the green?
Yeah.
You're asking an awful lot.
Wow.
Didn't even make that. Just do it. Put me out.
I've had anything to slip on the whole round.
Yep.
I wrote that.
There it is.
Woo! One time. One time. Oh! Come on! Leave it there. The wind might blow it.
Yeah, leave it.
Just leave it there.
Good par.
Come down. Come down a little bit.
It was a good distance, just a little pull.
No. Right
It
idea.
was almost really good.
Almost really good.
Only 4 yards. All it wasn't. All it wasn't.
4 yards being shorter, man. Really good.
What the old lady tells me. Yeah. Oh, get in the pond.
I forgot you said there's a drive.
Put your camera on this.
Long time.
Woo. I put my camera on it.
Probably about right here.
Oh, yeah. Right between my legs. Boom! Lego!
You can make them for par.
Lego! Great par save, young man.
Thank you. I didn't want to putt.
That's one.
There you go. Right in the bunker.
Yeah, my nephew hit it over with the 3-wood.
Yeah. I mean, we're into the wind.
Are we though?
I don't
Look
know.
at the flag.
I don't know.
The flag is with the wind.
I'm trying to give you some cred.
No cred. It's good range ball.
That was crushed, but
Yeah.
Too far left.
Oh, golf shot. Golf shot.
absolute golf shot.
Fucking golf shot there, bud.
Great shot.
Quality.
Good call.
Come on, I'm gonna throw a ball to you.
Get down. Get down. Sure. Sure.
We're getting short now.
There's the short one.
Scramble!
We gotta take a shot now.
Not really.
That's it. You need to know how.
Woo! Field goal. Oh.
There it is. That might be.
Maybe I should hit a golf shot.
I take golf shots all day. Drives.
Over on.
About time you did fucking something.
Birdie and by myself. That's a natural. Get
That-
away from me.
that's a natural.
Yeah.
Right?
That is a wrap, people. 18 holes. Golf. Some golf was played. Not good golf was played, but
Birdie boys!
we ended up 4 under. Like I said, not a good score, but first outing of the year. We'll get it figured out. Peace.